Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best Inflatable Hot Tubs Manchester. Number 1. Bestway Hot Tub. Transform your backyard into a luxurious retreat with a spacious and soothing spa experience. Designed to accommodate up to 6 people, this premium hot tub offers the perfect way to unwind after a long day. The warm, bubbling water creates a tranquil atmosphere, while an advanced massage system delivers targeted relief to your legs and back. With 140 bubble jets and 2 intensity levels, this spa ensures maximum comfort and relaxation. Controlling your spa has never been easier, thanks to a smart app that allows you to adjust the temperature, activate the power-saving timer, run the filtration system, and manage the massage settings, all from your mobile device. Built with durable thermocore foam, this spa is sturdier than traditional inflatable models and up to 60% more energy efficient, making it a long-lasting and cost-effective option. Assembly is simple, with interlocking foam pieces that fit together effortlessly and a puncture-resistant liner for added durability. An integrated pump quickly inflates the spa, heats the water, and keeps it running smoothly. A ChemConnect chlorine dispenser and reinforced cover are also included, ensuring hassle-free maintenance and year-round enjoyment. Number 2. Coleman Portable. Create a relaxing retreat in your own backyard with this spacious and energy-efficient hot tub. Designed to accommodate 4 to 6 people, it features 140 bubbling jets that deliver a soothing massage experience, helping you unwind after a long day. With water temperatures reaching up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides the perfect environment for ultimate relaxation and stress relief. Built with durable DuraPlus 3-layer material, this hot tub is 33% more resistant to punctures and 56% more resistant to stretching, ensuring long-lasting use. The Freeze Shield heating system protects internal components from freezing, making it a reliable choice even in colder climates. The Energy Sense cover improves efficiency by 40%, helping to maintain warmth while reducing energy costs. For added convenience, an integrated pump inflates the spa, heats the water, and keeps the system running smoothly. It includes essential accessories such as a cover, chemical floater, 2 filter cartridges, and a repair patch for easy maintenance. With a water capacity of 222 gallons at 80% full, this portable spa offers comfort and relaxation in any outdoor space. It is compliant with energy efficiency regulations in multiple states, ensuring responsible energy use. Number 3. Intex Inflatable. Enjoy a luxurious and refreshing spa experience with advanced technology designed for ultimate relaxation. Engineered with innovative FiberTech beam construction, this spa offers superior structural stability while maintaining a soft and comfortable surface. Spacious enough to accommodate up to 6 people, it provides the perfect way to unwind with friends or family. Featuring a built-in hard water treatment system, the spa ensures gentler water on your skin, clothes, and internal components, extending its longevity and enhancing comfort. The heated air bubble technology utilizes a positive temperature coefficient (PTC) heater to maximize heat transfer while maintaining high safety standards and reliable performance. With a water temperature range of 68 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers soothing warmth for year-round enjoyment. An energy-efficient spa cover with high-density thermal-resistant foam minimizes heat loss, improving overall insulation and reducing energy consumption by up to 50%. Designed for convenience and durability, this spa has an outer size of 85 inches by 28 inches and an inner dimension of 65 inches by 28 inches, holding up to 290 gallons of water. For an upgraded sanitization function, an electrolytic cell, sold separately, can be added to enhance water purity, ensuring a clean and refreshing soak every time. Number 4. Coleman Soothing. Create a relaxing escape in your own backyard with this premium inflatable hot tub designed for up to 4 people. Featuring 120 bubbling jets, it provides a soothing massage experience while reaching a maximum temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit for ultimate relaxation. Whether unwinding after a long day or enjoying a social soak, this spa delivers comfort and convenience. Built with durable DuraPlus material, this spa is 33% more tear-resistant and 56% more stretch-resistant than traditional PVC, ensuring long-lasting performance. The Freeze Shield automatic heating function protects internal components from freezing, making it a reliable option for year-round use. Its energy-efficient design helps maintain warmth while keeping operational costs low. For effortless setup and maintenance, the integrated pump quickly inflates the spa, heats the water, and runs filtration while also controlling the massage system. Essential accessories, including a spa cover, chemical floater, 2 filter cartridges, and a repair patch, are included for added convenience. With a water capacity of 177 gallons and dimensions of 71 inches by 71 inches by 26 inches, this portable hot tub is perfect for any outdoor space. Please note that it cannot be used in temperatures below 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5. Intex Built-in. Experience effortless relaxation with this easy-to-use inflatable spa designed for up to 4 people. With 100 powerful bubble jets surrounding the interior, it delivers a soothing massage experience, perfect for unwinding after a long day. The adjustable heating system allows you to set the water temperature to your ideal comfort level, ensuring a personalized and enjoyable soak. Built for both durability and comfort, the tub features a puncture-resistant exterior mesh hull for added protection. The insulated cover and ground cloth help minimize heat loss, improving energy efficiency while maintaining warmth for extended enjoyment. A sleek and compact all-in-one control unit makes operations simple, with convenient cup and phone holders for added convenience. For enhanced water quality and longevity, the built-in electronic hard water treatment system reduces calcium buildup, keeping the spa running efficiently while making the water gentler on your skin. With a generous 210-gallon water capacity, an inner diameter of 63 inches, and an outer diameter of 83 inches, this spacious yet portable spa offers the perfect backyard retreat. It operates on a standard 13-amp power supply, making setup quick and hassle-free. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.